So, hun, what are we going to talk about today?
The convection microwave.
And how much you love it?
And how much I dislike it and miss my RV oven.
Our Class C had an oven in it. Cheryl was a happy camper. Maggie has a convection microwave in it, and
I just can't get it to work for me.
so we needed to come up with a solution.
When we were in Texas, our friend Donna suggested the Breville Smart Oven Air.
We figured, hey, you know what? Let's just order one. If we don't like it, we can send it back. But here's what I can tell you about that. Thank you, Donna. Cheryl loves it.
I do love it, Donna. Thank you.
So if you guys are interested in getting one yourself, we will have a link in the description box down below. But the purpose of this video is to show you what it comes with and what it's capable of doing. There are 13 presets on this oven. Anywhere from air frying, dehydrating, stuff like that. We're going to show you, demonstrate, because we're not going to show you how we made everything to cook.
That would be a long video.
Yeah, we're just going to demonstrate putting it in, cooking it, and pulling it back out. So the two that we will not show you are warm and reheat because, well,
we use the microwave for that.
There you go. So I guess without further ado, let's get cooking.
Well, that relieves some worry. The oven isn't as big as the box.
Yeah, not as long or as wide. Inside the box, you have a 13-inch pizza pan. You have 2 wire racks, which are reversible. That will give you 8 different rack positions. You have a 9x13 broiling rack. You have a 9x13 enamel roasting pan. You have the air fryer and dehydrator basket. And last but not least, the crumb tray.
Woohoo! Let's get them all cleaned. This is everything it can do. But right now we're going to run the cleaning process first, outlined in the manual.
Today we're making toast.
4 slices.
Should be technical, right?
The easiest of easy.
See you in about 6 minutes. They are done. Well, those look toasted.
Golden brown.
Nice.
So we're going to try making some pizza. I'm starving.
That's going to take 20 minutes.
It's on the pizza setting.
Yeah.
Put a pizza rack, says pizza right here. It might be hard to see, but that's where the rack is. And we'll see how it comes out.
See you in 20 minutes.
It's done.
Oh, it's all gooey.
Let's see what it looks like on the bottom.
Oh, cool.
Yummy.
Looks good.
I'll let it sit for a minute.
Then eat.
Yes.
What are we making today, babe?
Brownies.
Oh, brownies are always good.
Let's give it a try.
All right. We'll see you in 20 minutes. It's done.
We have brownies. They smell awesome. We will let them cool and cut into them.
What are we doing today, hon?
Bagels.
All right.
First thing we gotta do is move the rack down one to the toast bagel setting. Put our bagels in.
Do we still even have a toaster?
It's up in the cabinet.
Now you moved it down. Where'd you move the to?
Right here it says number 4 toast bagel.
All right. Even tells you where to put the rack. It's all done. Oh, those look nice and toasted.
Yes, they look delicious. So today we're going to try the oven with donkey cookies. I'm going to put this one in the bottom and this one on top. And it's really, we only set it to 200, so it's really just baking them but drying them out. And it's going to take about 6 hours. So we've been checking on these, and the top ones are done. They're nice and crispy. And the bottom ones are nice and crispy too. So the dog cookies are done. Today we're using the proof cycle to make some dough rise.
I'll be watching the whole thing. I'll be here proof.
We're going to set the temp to 85 for 1 hour. Press start.
See you guys in an hour.
There it is. It's doubled in size.
And there you have proof. Today we're gonna dehydrate.
We're gonna make some beef jerky.
Cool.
That's the right wrap. Air fry, dehydrate. Yep. And we're putting it on 160, and they said it'll take about 3 to 4 hours. So we'll hit start.
As you can see, it's done. Let's see how they look. Hey, why'd they shrink?
They look little shrinky dinks. Yep, I would say they're done.
What are we doing this time?
Banana oatmeal cookies.
All right.
First time doing cookies. We will see how it turns out.
So, what, 10.5 minutes?
Thereabouts.
All right. See you then.
Cookies are done. Let's check them out. Those look good.
Let's try to slow cook something this time.
This is a slow cook lasagna. I've never done it before. I just got this recipe via email. So we're gonna give it a try. Cover it up and put it in. And I know it will overflow, so I'm putting a pan underneath it.
Better safe than sorry.
We'll see how it goes.
It is done, we think.
I did have to add some sauce to the top. But now we need to put some cheese on it and broil the cheese a little bit and make it melt.
Now, would you cook lasagna like this again?
Yeah, I didn't have to do much of anything.
All right, then.
All right, let's put it back in.
Setting it to broil.
Change it to oops, wrong one. Broil. And put it on medium and see how that works.
See you in 3 minutes.
Yeah, looks good. So that was the
Slow cook.
slow cook and then broil.
So what are we going to do with these?
We are air frying some chicken patties for chicken parmesan.
Where's the rack go?
Number 3, air fry. And the air frying rack is the rack. Hopefully I get it in the right spot. There we go.
All right, 14 minutes. It's over.
They look fabulous. Wow, so much better than deep frying them. So now I'm going to top them with some sauce and some cheese, stick them in for a couple of minutes, and we'll be eating soon.
We are roasting today.
Happy Thanksgiving! We have a 12.5-pound turkey. I did have to put the rack on the very bottom in order to get it fit. And here we go.
How big a turkey does it say it will hold?
14.
Okay.
Little tight, but there we go.
I guess in 2.5 hours we'll let you know how it turned out. All right, it says the turkey's done.
It is. And I checked the temperature, and it's perfect. And this looks great. We also are using it to keep our vegetables warm.
Good
Pretty
idea.
cool, huh? So that's my Breville Smart Oven Air.
Yeah, and it is hers because I don't use it, but I'll tell you what, I enjoy eating the food out of it. And making this video was a real thrill because there was an awful lot of food that we got to eat because of it.
We did not make it all in one day.
But hey, Breville, if you ever happen to watch this video, here's a money opportunity for you. Figure a way to get that oven to go above the stove, because I'll take that convection microwave out in a heartbeat and get a small little microwave for the countertop.
That would make me super, super, super happy.
Yep. Just let us know. But anyway, that's going to bring this video to a close. If you are interested in everything that Cheryl and I are doing and want to be kept up to date, you can do that on Instagram and Facebook. And if you're interested in stuff that we've put into Maggie yourself, we do have an Amazon store. People keep telling us, I keep asking, and I keep forgetting to mention it. But down in the description box below, there will be a link to that.
So,
You got anything?
nope.
All right. If you like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. If you want to become part of the Grow and Get Gone With Us gang, right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in.
You have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you can just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back, we always do. Till our next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
We'll Get Gone With Us.
Bye.